Hey, what is going on YouTube? It's Robert, and today I am bringing to another unboxing for something that has yet again sat around for 5 years, which is, brilliant in the end, because I'm pretty sure none of the stuff that I've had and kept and forgotten about is even sought after to any degree. So we're going to open this up, just briefly talk about it. This isn't going to be the longest thing in the world. And yeah, as always, just let me know if you've got anything hanging around or anything that you haven't opened yet, or whether you are keeping things sealed for a purpose. And yeah, so I'm going to have to be very careful because I took the label off of this, not realizing that it had 2 more labels underneath for probably customs and details and such, that also have my address, but they are taped to the package itself. So they've made it super difficult for me to get to, and yeah, I didn't know that, obviously, otherwise I would have probably just put some tape or something over it myself to cover it up. But yeah, so this package is going to come from France in the end, and it came during a promotional thing of sorts, where basically, there you go, ripped off all of the things. So basically what you had to do is you had to contact what I would almost call like a newsagent. So not exactly the same thing, but it's almost like a corner shop or people who run newsstands, and they also have online stores for this. And what you had to do with Kith is that you had to buy newspapers, I believe it was in the end, and in your return, on top of the newspapers for buying them, you would get Kith Vogue pieces. They're just tees, they're very simple and easy, they're not really expensive in the end, but I don't really know what I bought. I'm pretty sure I should have 1, at a maximum I should have 2, but that also might mean that it will come with like 2 newspapers from like 2021 in the end. So yeah, that is the end of it. Am I going to keep them? Probably not. Are things messed up? Most definitely, because that is the state of things. So we've got a receipt, which I believe means that I should have 3 in here. That would be my expectation. Yeah, let's take that out and let's see what it comes with overall. Okay, this is different to what I was expecting, I'm not going to lie to you. Very different to what I was expecting, wow, okay. So this is how each of them are. And this is how they are printed in the end. You have the magazine and then you have the Kith. Obviously they're 13 euros each, near enough in the end, which were a special, which were magazine plus t-shirt. And there it is, which says Vogue Hearts Kith Paris. Isn't that cool? Okay. I don't really want to get it out at that point because that's like a whole thing, isn't it? I mean, the tea is obviously separate, but I'm sure there are people who would probably want the magazine alongside that, with how it is and everything. Even, I can't tell if that's the paper itself, which I don't believe it is, it's just how it's printed. But yeah, that's kind of crazy, isn't it? That's how it comes. So I'm going to try and like flatten these out, I suppose, like that. Probably do it in the end, but yeah, that's cool. There isn't really much else to say other than that, to be honest. I would have got them out and everything, but I don't think there's really a point in doing so. I think it's kind of, self-explanatory. But yeah, I'll probably just be getting rid of them and such. But that's a very cool thing if someone was keeping that as a collection or a limited edition sort of thing. I don't know how many they printed and such. I don't know how many they made. But yeah, I always found a lot of the older Kith Vogue collaborations kind of cool. A little bit expensive, but in the nature. And yeah, I just wanted to go for them, so I did at that point, and that's that. So yeah, that is going to cover this video. A bit boring, bland, but oh well, it's cool in the end because it's something that's older and something people might not have seen, the fact that you have to get it with the magazine and everything. But yeah, that is going to cover it for me. So I do hope that you have a good rest of your day, and I will see you all next time. Peace.